Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel, by the way. So, if you are new and you know you've not subscribed, as most of you, my viewers are, most of you have not subscribed. So, this is one of the reasons why I said you should actually subscribe and you get daily updates from us. So, like and also make your comments. So, now let's do a quick recap on our USD JPY before we try to predict where this price will be moving for the next day. A quick one, a recap is on the weekly time frame. So you would want to know this trend on this weekly time frame on gold, right? So you can take a look at this gold to USD. You can clearly see that this is a bullish move, coupled with the fact that this price is now above our 10 period moving average. Now, let me say it, I'll say it again. If you are trading moving average, you will know that once this price is above the moving average, then it is a buy movement. We have to look for a way to go long. But once it is below our 10 period moving average, we have to sell, we have to short, right? But we clearly can see that this price is above our 10 period moving average, then we have to go long. By the way, is this moving bullish move over? I don't think so. The bullish move is not yet over, so we want to still see it go further up. Like I've done weekly analysis on this gold. Like I told you guys that we should watch out for this week for a level of 1,835. If you've not watched the weekly analysis, check the channel. You'll see gold, 5 to I think 9, 5 to 9 of December, right? You can go back to watch it. I explain it detail to detail on how we will be making our movements. So that is on it on the weekly time frame. We are still speculating a bullish move. So that should now take us to the daily time frame where we want to see this price movement. So once we take a look at this movement, I told you guys on Friday when we did this analysis, I told you guys that a pullback will occur in two ways, right? Is it that we have the pullback at this level before we continue our bullish move on gold, or we see gold breaks out of this level, then a pullback will happen before we continue our bullish move. But it's clear that the pullback has happened at this level on this daily time frame, which is, I think the movement started on Friday. So this pullback has happened. So what do we now expect to play out? We should be expecting a further bullish move on our gold. So gold, we should now consider to go bullish on gold. Now we can now see this moving average. You can see it right on the daily time frame. You can see that this price is still above our moving average. Assuming it is below this moving average, maybe possibly we would want to start off this trade or shorts, but we clearly can see that this is above our moving average. So guys, gold, it is still a bullish move. We have to still consider a long movement on this gold, right? So I mean, one of the reasons why I told you guys that a pullback will also occur is that I do say it previously, and I do say it several other times, that if price has reacted to a level previously multiple times, the price is close to that level, price is at that level, then definitely price must react to that same level again. So we clearly can see that this price has once reacted here. We had a rejection here, and here comes a rejection, then here comes a rejection. Now that this price has come to this level, I told you guys that we should expect a pullback, which you've actually gotten. So that is it on the daily time frame. A pullback has occurred, so we should now be expecting a bullish move on gold. So now let's see what this 4 hour time frame actually says. So is this pullback over? Well, I think so. Let's see. For us to be super sure that this pullback is over, then we would want to see this gold actually break above this our highs. You can see that this is the highs, our highs for this period that gold has gotten to, which is a level of 1,800 on, let us say 1,800. So once price actually got to about 1,803, right? The price gave us a pullback. Now price is coming, right? We might very much likely see a ranging market move within this level, right? So to be very sure that this gold is pullback is over, we are now on a bullish move. We possibly want to wait and confirm or see if this gold actually breaks above a level of 1,805. So once it breaks above a level of 1,805, then it is simple buy. It is simple, we have to go long. So this gold, you can just possibly wait for a little bit of a confirmation. Price comes out, it goes up, breaks this previous highs, and then you can continue our bullish move on gold for the day.